Equilibrium is achieved when aggregate demand is. Right answer is option D, equal to aggregate supply. Friends, according to Keynesian theory, the equilibrium level of income in an economy is determined when aggregate demand as represented by the C plus I curve is equal to aggregate output. Which of the following cannot be changed by applying force? Right answer is option C, mass of the object. Friends, SI unit of force is Newton or kg meter per second square. Force has magnitude and direction. Newton's second law of motion states that force is directly proportional to mass times acceleration. When was the All India Kisan Sabha formed? Right answer is option C, 1936. Friends, the All India Kisan Sabha was formed in April 1936 at Lucknow. It is also known as Akhil Bharatiya Kisan Sabha. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati was the head of the Sabha. It was a peasant movement of the Communist Party of India. The Kisan Sabha movement started in Bihar under the leadership of Sahajanand Saraswati. In which of the following do the Tapti and Narmada rivers fall? Right answer is option B, Arabian Sea. Friends, south of the Narmada river in central India, the Tapti river flows west before emptying into the Arabian Sea. The Tapti river has its source is in Multai, Madhya Pradesh. After the Narmada river, it is the second largest river in India that flows west. Length of the Tapti river is 724 km. Narmada river is also known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Length of Narmada river is 1312 km. Where is Brabourne Stadium is located? Blank. Right answer is option A, Mumbai. Friends, the Brabourne Stadium is an international cricket stadium in Mumbai in Western India. Establishment of this 1937. First test match 9 to 13 December 1948, India versus West Indies. Who conducts the election to the office of President of India? Right answer is option C, Election Commission of India. Friends, on January 25, 1950, the Election Commission of India was constituted in accordance with the Constitution. The Election Commission of India is a permanent and autonomous body constituted by the Indian Constitution. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following Indian state? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Friends, Tropic of Cancer is located at 23.5 degrees north latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Electrical current is measured by. Right answer is option A, ammeter. What is the name of the festival of flowers of the Adivasis in Jharkhand? Right answer is option B, Sarhul. Friends, Sarhul is a major festival of the tribal communities of Middle East India, celebrated in the tribal areas of Jharkhand, also West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Central India. Friends, this festival is mainly celebrated by Munda, Bhumij, Ho, Santhal and Uran tribes. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi. Formation year 15 November 2000. Total district 24 and present governor C.P. Radhakrishnan, present CM Hemant Soren. Pseudopodia are characteristic feature of which of the following animals? Right answer is option A, amoeba. Which of the following act was based on Montagu-Chelmsford report? Right answer is option C, Government of India Act 1919. Friends, Government of India Act 1919 is popularly known as Montagu-Chelmsford report. The Government of India Act 1919 was an act of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. The act received royal assent on 23rd December 1919. The act came into force in 1921. The act embodied the reforms recommended in the report of the Secretary of State for India, Edwin Montagu, and the Viceroy, Lord Chelmsford. When is International Yoga Day celebrated? Right answer is option D, 21 June. Friends, International Yoga Day is being celebrated every year on 21 June since 2015. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated across the world on 21 June 2015. 21 June, also called summer solstice, is the longest day of the year. The theme of the Yoga Day 2023 is Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Typhoid fever is caused by. Right answer is option B, bacteria. Friends, typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi bacteria. Bacteria was discovered by Antonio van Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek is also called the father of bacteriology. Which of the following is the name of the Parliament of Bangladesh? Right answer is option D, Jatiya Sansad. Friends, Jatiya Sansad Bhavan is the house of the Parliament of Bangladesh, located at Sher-e-Bangla Nagar in Dhaka. Construction started 1961 and architect was Louis Khan. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Its official language is Bengali. What was the capital of the Mauryan Empire? Right answer is option D, Pataliputra. Friends, Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of the Mauryan dynasty. Pataliputra was the capital of the Mauryan Empire. The third Buddhist council was held at Pataliputra. Vaisali was the capital of Vrij Mahajanpada. Indraprastha was the capital of the Pandavas. Kushinagar was the capital of Malla Republic. Which country has topped the medal tally of the 4th Para Asian Games 2023? Right answer is option B, China. Friends, in the medal tally of Para Asian Games 2023, China has won a total of 521 medals. Japan has won a total of 150 medals. Iran has won a total of 131 medals. India has won a total of 111 medals and South Korea has won a total of 103 medals. Which vaccine is given to children to prevent whooping cough? Right answer is option B, DPT. Where is Kabuli Bagh Mosque located? Right answer is option A, Panipat. Friends, Kabuli Bagh Masjid is a mosque in Panipat district of Haryana. It was built in the year 1527 by the Mughal Emperor Babur to commemorate his victory over Sultan Ibrahim Lodi in the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. The mosque is named after Kabuli Begum, Babur's wife. Tomato is a natural source of which acid? Right answer is option C, oxalic acid. Friends, oxalic acid is an organic compound found in many plants. Oxalic acid is most likely to be found in spinach. The salvation place of Mahavir Ji, the originator of Jain religion, is located at. Right answer is option A, Pavapuri.